Hello, Gina and Rodette. Happy birthday to both of you. And all the best. We wish you many more years together and many happy returns of the day. So happy birthday. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Birthday Gina and Rodette. Vad säger man?
Happy birthday, Gina and Rodette.
Yes. We hope you have a good 60th birthday and that you have been good. No problems. Yeah? We say
Hello.
hello. Hello everybody. We hope to come to Philippines soon and see you all. Yes. Vi hoppas på att komma till Filippinerna snart igen, eller hur? Ja.
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 Ja. Ja.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Ciao.
Happy birthday.
Bye
Happy
bye.
birthday to you.
Vi säger bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy and daddy. Happy birthday to you both.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Mommy and Daddy.
birthday. Love you guys.
Love you.
Have fun.
Bye.
Hello. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Advance happy birthday, Gina. And belated happy birthday, Radit. Sana nasa maayos kayong kalagayan, malulusog, malalakas, laging masaya. Wala akong masabi eh. Paano ba yan? Kantahan ko na lang kayo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ma'am Gina and Tito Rodette. Happy 60th birthday. Miss ko na po kayo. May you and your family will have the Lord's blessings on your special day. Both of you are such a good person. That's why your family is really my inspiration. Miss ko na po kayo. At pagkatapos po nitong pandemic, makita-kita po tayo.
Happy birthday, Tito Rodette and Mom G. May God bless you both more. Stay happy and in love. Isa kayo sa mga couples na hinahangaan ko. I love you both.
Hi friend! Happy 60th birthday! Kala mo nakalimutan ko? Hindi ano lang talaga. Nagpapahuli ako para mas special. Friend, biruin mo. 60 ka na. Tapos ako this year magpi-55. So, ibig sabihin, 27 years na ako. So, 27 na tayo magkaibigan. Simula pa na mag-start ako dito sa Metrobank. Ikaw yung lagi kong kausap, 'di ba? Kasi nga payroll ako na-assign. So, kahit siguro hindi 27 years, possible 26 years na nagkakilala tayo. So, alam mo friend, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi nakilala kita, kasi ikaw yung kaibigan ko talaga na hindi ewan ko ba, magalit man, sandali lang, hindi nagtatanim ng galit, at saka higit sa lahat, yung naging ka masayahin, yan yung gustong gusto ko sa'yo eh. So, ang wish ko sa'yo on your 60th birthday, sana hindi ka magbabago, saka lalong-lalo na yung kagandahan mo. Dapat ma-maintain yan, my dear friend. Sayang nga lang di tayo magkikita ngayon no? Kasi pandemic pa. Siguro kung hindi pandemic, malamang bongga na naman ang iyong birthday party. Ang iyong 60th birthday. So, nandito ako ngayon, friend, sa office. Alam mo na, kakatapos lang ng mga work, may humahabol pa nga, kaya before ako umuwi, syempre babatiin kita. hindi kita nakalimutan ha. Simula pa na umaga, kaya lang hindi ko magawa yung video kasi maraming tao. At least ngayon, kukunti na lang kami. Kaya maganda-gandang nakakapag-video ako ngayon. Walang nakakarinig sa akin. Friend, thank you. Thank you for being with me. Saka yung pakikinig mo nung kahit na nasa Metro Bank ka pa. Ikaw yung nakakaintindi sa akin. Naalala ko yung pagka meron kang mga pinapatawag, tapos sinungitan ko, sasabihan mo lang sila na hindi, mabait yan. Ganyan lang talaga. O diba? Ganyan talaga yung magkaibigan, diba? Kaya love na love kita, friend eh. Friend, on your 60th birthday, sana humaba pa ng humaba yung buhay mo kasi ikaw yung talagang kailangan dito sa mundo na to dahil sobrang bait mo. Papasalamat ako talaga na naging kaibigan kita. Ang wish ko sa'yo, my friend, ito. Meron akong ginawa para sa'yo. Yan, ha? O, yan. Don't count the candles, but see the light they give. Diba? Don't count your years, and instead, count the life you live. So, my friend, dito na lang ha. Happy birthday and stay young and healthy. At higit sa lahat, I miss you so much and I love you, my friend. I love you, my dear friend. Mwah!
Hi Rodette, happy birthday. May God continue to bless you with good health, especially this pandemic time. At age 60, you are now legit dual citizens. Congratulations and welcome to the club. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and be safe. Bye-bye.
Hi, Gina and Rodette. Surprise! Happiest 60th birthday to both of you and welcome to the Senior Club. My wishes for both of you are good health, long life, and enjoy your life to the fullest. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Tito, thank you for everything you do, not just for people, but for people, whether they're in the office or in your personal life. And I know that's just your personality, and it's so easy for you to be so many good things, like kind and understanding, patient, but it's not easy to find people like that, and thank you for continuing to be that way because you inspire me to make pakikumbaba and to be a better person. So, yeah. And that shows, like, that's an ability that's unique to you because your family is so great and the people around you seem to, like, do better just because they're around you. So, thanks, Tito.
Happy 60th birthday, Paring Rodette. It gives me so much joy and pride simply knowing the good person and friend that you are. Your life story is very inspiring. It's really a wonderful testimony of God's faithfulness. And happy 60th birthday also, Maring Gina. Inuna ko lang si Pare because as you said, mas matanda naman siya sa iyo. I thank God because you are a perfect match. I wish you a long and satisfied life. I wish you blessings beyond what you ask for yourselves, for your children, si Dr. Jamie, AJ, and her husband, and for your apos. God bless you all the days of your life. Happy 60th!
Happy 60th birthday, my BFF Gina and our best man, Rodette. Welcome to the club of senior citizens. Hindi naman halata eh, mukhang 59 lang kayo. It's time to enjoy discounts and benefits. But seriously, we are so thankful for our long-lasting friendship. Kahit na magkakalayo tayo, our friendship from then and now is still the same. Mga nene at totoy pa tayo ay pagkakasama na. So our prayers is for your that God will bless you with more healthy years to come, with peace, love, and joy for your family. God's protection and provisions will always be upon you. Hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hello, Rudette, Gina. I didn't realize na matanda na pala kayo. Anyway, 60 is just a number, and we are still treading this life. We're still in the hands of God, and thank God we are celebrating our 60th. Mauna nga lang kayo sa akin. Even in this pandemic, we are still here. Thank God for His protection, and we will continue to declare that His protection is upon you, your family, even your grandchildren. Thank you so much for the friendship, and parang kailan lang naliligo tayo sa ilog. No? Anyway, those memories will stay because our friendship stays. God bless you all, and may you have a very wonderful celebration of your 60th birthday. And I emphasize again, mauna kayo sa akin. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Lolo. Hello, Lola. Happy na birthday pa. Enjoy lang natin ang buhay at tuloy-tuloy lang natin ang paglilingkod kahit pandemic. Happy birthday.
Brother Odette and Mars Gina, inabot na ninyo ang magic age 60. Ito yung taon na maraming freebies, mas maraming mai enjoy kasama ang inyong mga apo. Wish you good health all year round at saka kasiyahan at mga marami pang travel and journeys. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Odette and Sister Gina. Welcome to Senior Citizens Live. Meron na kayong 20% discount na ma-avail. Happy birthday. God bless.
Bro, sis, happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gina and Rodel.
Lola, happy birthday, Lola, Gina, and Lolo, Rudette. Happy birthday po, Tita Gina and Lolo, Rudette.
Okay, sige na.
Happy birthday, Mari.
Welcome to the club. Enjoy the perks of being a 60. Okay, God bless.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Enjoy kahit may pandemic.
Bye-bye. Birthday.
Hi, paring Rodette, Maring Gina. Happy birthday. Welcome to the dual citizenship. Mga senior na kayo pero hindi halata. Mga mukhang bata pa kayo eh. Wish ko na sa birthday nyo, mas lalo pa kayong sumaya, lalo na ang pamilya, pag-enjoy sa apo, at saka good health and long life.
Okay. Ako naman. Pare. Happy birthday. Yan. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Alright. Teka muna. Maalala ko, hindi tayo magkikita-kita ngayong birthday. Oo nga pala. Kasi, oo nga, no? Mas masarap kung magkikita-kita tayo. Kanya lang, wala na si Freddy, no? Alright. Happy birthday na lang sa inyong dalawa. Alright.
Miss na namin yung kita-kits natin.
Oo nga.
Hopefully, soon na magkikita na ulit tayo, ha?
Sayang.
Okay.
Sige.
Wish
Happy
you
birthday
all
sa
the
inyong
best.
dalawa. Wishing you all the best.
Enjoy your special day.
Yes.
Happy birthday! God bless
Happy birthday
always!
sa dalawang magsing-iro.
Happiest birthday! Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Hi, pare, mare. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday, Pare Mare. We wish you all the best in life and good health. And more happy birthdays to come. We love you. Happy birthday!
Welcome to the club. Club ng mga PK.
Lahat, Pare Rodel and Mars Gina, kala nyo nakalimutan ko ha. Maligayang bati sa inyong kaarawan ngayon at lalo tigit sa lahat, welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. O de miyembro na kayo ngayon, di ba? Happy birthday! Oh, hindi ako nakakalimot ha. Hindi ako kasali sa handaan pero nakahanda akong tumanggap ng delivery. Kaya ko yun, mag-aantay lang ako. Happy birthday po. Paring Rodette, ang gwapo at saka ang magandang Gina. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rodette.
Happy birthday, Gina.
Wish namin sa inyong dalawa ang magandang kalusugan at malayo sa anumang karamdaman. Ngayon na kayo ay mga senior citizen na, expect lots of respect from the youngsters and lots of benefits.
Proud din kami na naging mga kaibigan ninyo. Kahit nga bata pa kayo, pero naging idol kayo naming nakakatanda.
Please continue to be a good example to others.
We
love you both.
God bless.